With our partner companies, F-List, one of the leading aircraft and yacht interior manufacturers in Austria, and company Fotela, fire retardant coatings. We have the network and the capacity to cope with any size of order. Any interior fit-out company can order the panels. They just cut them to size, apply the edge banding, and it's ready for installation. The Limartec wood veneer system panel is a revolutionary development for the cruise industry. It's the first semi-finished panel fully certified according to the IMO FTP code 2010. It's part 5 and part 2, and all the layers are certified in combination. With the Limartec wood veneer system panel, the designers for interiors of cruise ships are free to choose the real wood veneer again. So we produce these panels in 2.5 meters in length and 1.2 meters in width, and we supply and provide the full certificate for the complete build-up. The surface is not just certified, it's sustainable because it's no plastic, it's 50% lighter than any laminate, and it has a fantastic acoustic because it's a natural material, and it has a complete different touch to it. It has a different feeling again.